So did he explain to you how that worked?
Explain to us how it works.
Okay, so basically what we got going on here is we removed from our old kit, there's no threaded fittings, there's nothing that isn't plug and play now. So everything's just quick connect fittings, very simple laid out, very easy to put on. Everything that goes together either with quick connect fittings or O-rings. On the exo filter now, the old style, we had a plate that went underneath and you had to thread like a screw in it to hold the fitting on, like the exo filter housing. Now we don't have that. You just take it off, take your return line off, remove it over, slip this right over top of it, and this bracket uses a factory mount, holds it over top. You snap your return line right back on here.
Okay.
And you're done. This is already O-ring, ready to go. Now the other thing is this is a pressure differential, or like a pressure sensor, that we built in a circuit in this exo filter housing. So what happens is, if this filter that's in here starts to clog up through the return system, you get a pressure differential, it trips the pressure sensor, which we have tagged into the factory harness of the truck, and it will actually throw a light in the dash for fuel delivery issue. So plug and play once again, it just jumps in between. But it'll actually let you know while you're driving the truck if you have a bunch of contamination in the system.
I like that. I like that you guys did the clear, how you can see it like that.
Very simple. The nice thing is too, is if you are getting stuff in the filter and your maintenance in the truck, you just shine a light in there and you can look at it.
Oh yeah, you can see it right away. That is really cool.
And then the old one we had, you know, people complain about having to remove the lid and look at the screen. So we made it better. So we listened to you guys, you know?
Wow. Guys, disaster prevention. Gen 2. Everybody wants to know, what do you do to the 6.7s? I need the disaster prevention. I need this, I need that. Well, we don't like this, we don't like that. Gen 2. What do you guys think? Unreleased item, what does it say? EPK 2.0.
Play, baby. ...
coming soon.
We even went as far as doing the molds and having these new clips injection molds.
Oh, that's all new.
This is all new.
Oh, wow.
So it's just like the factory style.
But that comes with it, right?
Yep, all this comes with it. So this whole hard line, just like factory, this clip snaps over.
Dude, that is sweet. Wow. All plug and play, guys. Coming soon. What do you guys think? I think I'm gonna run a couple of these. It's like a sore dick, can't beat it. Damn.